Hi, I'm Lucy and I studied my lash extension course with Bella Beauty College. I started studying with Bella Beauty College in January of 2023 and it was amazing. The courses are very in-depth and they give you a lot of information, everything from lash history, lash health, infection control, the weights of different lashes, and then the techniques on how to do the lash extensions. They made sure that we covered absolutely everything and we went on to the doll heads to be able to practice that isolation and make sure our lashes were great before we went on to live models. And I was a bit worried when I got onto the live models, but Bella Beauty College tutors really helped me with that and calmed me down. And I was able to open Lash by Lucy, Beauty by Lou in August of 2023. I accredit all of that to Bella Beauty College because the lash extension course that I did, it didn't only offer all the details on lash extensions and lash health. It also covered a social media marketing certificate, and that helped so much getting my business off the ground. I opened, like I said, in August of 2023. I already have around 3,000 followers on my Instagram page, which really helps with clientele, I'll tell you that. And all of that, I know how to use social media from my social media marketing certificate. I'm 31, I've used social media since Bebo and MySpace days, but never understood how to really use it. And Bella Beauty College gave me all of that knowledge. Would I recommend Bella Beauty College? Definitely. I'm now working 6 days a week around me and my family, working between 6 to 10 clients a day. I'm now making more than I ever did working for somebody else. I'm choosing my hours. I'm able to be at my children's school events and still bring in a pretty good paycheck so we can have a pretty comfortable life. All of that is because I started at Bella Beauty College and worked for myself because I had that knowledge to be able to do it. I would definitely tell you to jump straight on that course and start studying today because it'll change your life. It definitely changed mine.